Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. Got a couple of requests, so I said let me just make a new video because there is a good setup. So let's see what it is. So this chart is a weekly chart I made a long time ago when we were starting wave 4 from the bottom going towards wave 5. This is wave 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and we go for wave 5 a little bit above the wave C. Wave 3 highs, right? So that is supposed to go there. So we started to go there, and I made a lot of charts over the months, and I'm just gonna skip that and get to the point. What's happening right now? Right now is a weekly chart. I'm gonna show is that this is the weekly chart I made September 2nd, and I made two charts. This is the second scenario. The first scenario was this, that if we're going to bounce from 1877 and stay above 1877, we can go straight to the upside, right? Or if we can not go above 1959 and then hit that and drop back below 1877, we will go down to 1802 then, right? Break this 1877 and then go down here. So that's what happened, that we went up there, hit the 1959, and after that we start to drop, and right now we are just above 1877. Let's go take a look at the live chart, and this is the weekly live chart here. The scenario first is this is how it shows, it how it look like. Let's see, it went up there and then ABC fashion, it came down to where we're just gonna see it a little bit. And this is the second scenario. Again, it is also same thing, but it's showing all the way down below 1877. We will go down to 1802, right? I still think that the first scenario is better. And what is happening on a shorter time frame, exactly what's happening in between here in these two bands, yellow bands, this chart is going to show is this is I made just made it a little while ago. Right, so this chart is showing that this is how it went up, and then this is A, B, C correction for wave 2. It's a flat correction. I saved the chart already, and I'm going to post it. So see, this is how it happens. The flat correction is A equal B equals C after wave 1, A, B, C 2. Sometimes, most of the time, this flat correction happens in wave 4, but sometimes it can happen in wave 2. 1 and 2, right? Just like it happened here on the weekly chart. In fact, on the monthly chart, or not even a monthly chart, here you can see that this is wave 1 from the bottom. This is a picture, man. Let me see if I can have it here. Yeah, see this? Wave 1, then it says sideways, A, B, and then C. Instead of coming down sharply as a zigzag, it ended up flat here, and then you have a flat as well on wave 4. So yeah, that's what happens sometimes. In wave 2, you will see a flat, and which we are making right now at 78% of this rise. So if we can stay above this, or maybe drop a little bit more to 1892, which is a weekly low, this is where I think that we're going to make the turn and go to the upside. Why is that? Because if you look at the USD weekly chart, this is the weekly current chart of USD index, and it went above, as I was expecting. It went above 1599, and the next target is monthly high of 1753. So it's a little bit of room here that it might go there. If not, if it drops below 1599, then the gold will just bounce from there. If not, if it goes to 1753, gold probably going to drop to 1892 or maybe 1877, and then make the turn, right? So this is why I think that this is what's happening, and it's a very nice setup. And this is the area. If I have a reversal candle and a blue candle start to build, then I will be looking for long in my entry chart, which will be this one. See, this is all the entries that it gave when it was going down, right? So look how beautiful entries gave my system is given here. This one is the entry. Every time this indicator is all the way up, and the price is in between here. Yeah, blue candle turns red, again, entry, 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 right? Now we are at 1902. In fact, it is probably going to be 18, what was that, 1892, 1898, something like that. Let me see which one I'm talking about. 1892, right? So 1902 right now, and then 1899 is 78%, and 1892 is the number below. So somewhere here, we're going to be making a turn and start to go up. And just like it start to go up, if I can see like this one here. Okay, see, this was bearish, 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 and this is how it makes the turn. And then all of a sudden, boom, I got an entry, long entry here, and then long entry, and then gone with the wind. This is how I take my trade when the side changes. So bearish, turn bullish, and then this is how it is. So this is exactly what I'm going to be looking for to, side changes from bearish to bullish on my this smaller time frame, the entry time frame here. So it's somewhere here. I will be, if it goes to the upside, my first scenario start to play out, I will be taking long from here. All right. So this is it for now. This is a very good setup here. And let's see if it plays out. If it drops, it drops. No big deal. It's probably going to drop all the way to this low here and then bounce, or maybe go down all the way to 1877 and break that, and then go for my second scenario, which is this, all the way to 1793 or 1802, right? So that's the second scenario. The first is that it might be able to bounce if USD makes the turn from 1753 to the downside. So let's see what happens, and be patient. The name of the game is patient. Be patient, right? Not patient, the hospital patient, the patient waiting. Right? Okay, now, so if you like what you saw, you want to get the system and or learn about my system and everything, then you can go and then to my website, creativetrading.com. This is my website, and this is a monthly subscription page. You can sign up here, and or if you want, you can have a one-on-one coaching here, right here, this button, which is a 10-hour, over the Zoom, personally me teaching, and almost everything. All of these things you will be master of, not only this strategy, but the whole trading game. Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, how to do the analysis, SNL level, trend line, this, that, everything. And right now I have this 50% off on this until Friday. So take advantage of that, sign up, and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Like I said, that this setup, keep in mind that it's a very, very nice setup. And if it start to make the turn and start to go up, and the USD start to drop, boom, it's gonna go all the way. All right, so I'll be waiting for that. And if I take any trade, I will be posting all the trades I took before. They are on my website. You can see that. All right, so bye for now, and thank you for watching, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right, okay.